In this video, I will show you how to connect ShineOn with Amazon. First, log into your ShineOn account. Now, open a new tab and search for Order Desk. From the results, click on the one that says ShineOn plus Order Desk. Next, click Add ShineOn to Order Desk. Once you're inside, look to the left-hand side of the screen and scroll down until you see Manage Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. From here, scroll down the list until you find Amazon North America, then click Enable. After that, you will see the option to connect to Amazon. Just click on it. Finally, fill out your primary contact information, save it, and you're done. Your ShineOn account is now connected to Amazon and you can start selling right away. And that's how to connect ShineOn with Amazon.